The Majestic Stone, A Journey to Hakkari. Zilan had traveled the world in books, but her grandfather, Baran, told her the most dramatic landscapes were waiting right here in Turkey's farthest corner, Hakkari province. It is the city of Majestic Stone, he promised. We start our journey tomorrow. Early the next morning, they arrived. Zilan immediately felt dwarfed by the landscape. Hakkari is defined by the mighty Silosat Mountains, Turkey's second highest range. Baran pointed to the snowy peaks dominating the horizon. Did you know that Mount Resco, the highest peak here, reaches over 4,100 meters? Baran explained that the Silosat Mountains are not just beautiful, they are crucial. They hold permanent glaciers, rare in this part of the world, making the region a haven for rare flora and fauna. Hiking and mountaineering are famous activities here, but only for the well-prepared and experienced explorer. After their mountain trek, they drove south, following a winding green path. This was the Zap River, a powerful tributary that flows down from the mountains. This river is the lifeline of Hakkari, Baran said. It also offers the most thrilling activity here, exhilarating whitewater rafting. The Zap River carving through the deep valley is one of the most stunning sights in the region. It's an essential source for irrigation, sustaining the local agriculture in the challenging terrain. Baran explained that the river eventually joins the Tigris far to the south, connecting Hakkari to ancient Mesopotamian history. Next, they traveled back towards the central district to explore history. The old city of Hakkari, though mostly ruins now, tells a story spanning millennia. Look, Baran said, pointing to the remnants of ancient walls. This area has been inhabited since the early Bronze Age, adapting to conquerors and climate. One of the best preserved historical sites is the Meydan Medrese, built by the Hakkari princes centuries ago. It served as a significant center of Islamic scholarship and learning. It is a striking example of local stone masonry, showing how architecture was designed to resist the rugged mountain climate. Exploring the modern city center, Zilan learned about the unique local economy. Hakkari is renowned for its exquisite hand-woven carpets and kilims made with traditional motifs and colored using natural dyes. These textiles reflect the deep cultural identity and storytelling heritage of the region. As the sun began to set, casting long shadows, Baran summarized Hakkari's unique facts. The province is one of the coldest in Turkey, yet its harsh, snowy climate protects its unique biodiversity. It has always been a bridge between civilizations, strategically important throughout history due to these powerful mountains. Zilan looked back at the towering peaks and the distant sound of the rushing Zap River. She realized that Hakkari wasn't just a location on a map. It was a testimony to the raw power of nature and the endurance of history. She promised Baran she would return one day to climb the Great Resco Peak.